Okay, so hello and welcome again to this Selenium Automations with C# course. My name is Pankaj Kapse, your instructor. In this video, we discuss about exceptions in Selenium, right? So first of all, begin with what are exceptions? So the answer is the exceptions are the errors, or we can say unhandled, unexpected errors during the runtime. Uh, Exception handling in Selenium refers to the first of all we try to understand what are the exceptions. Exceptions means what? So the unexpected errors encountered during our runtime. Suppose we are verifying an application and running our script, and sometimes we saw that there is an unexpected pop-up occurs that will not able to handle by Selenium because we are not any code for to prevent that or to handle that unexpected pop-ups or unexpected messages occurred in our runtime. So the cases when this type of error occurs, we say that they are the exceptions. So first, uh, we need to uh, see the scenarios where the exceptions are occurred, and how then we discuss about the solutions, what we can do to handle the exceptions, right? So first of all, our scenario is we are using the our application. In that application we are going to verify the inquiry page, and is inquiry page is saved for each of the following cases like course, subcourse, groups and subjects for the all combinations, right? So now I'm going to open my application, and first we do a login. See, we need to execute all the steps in our script. So we need when we are going to create a script, then we need to open the application, then log into the application, then click on the inquiry page and perform all the operations like entering mobile number and all the information what we required for to fill up the page, right? So right now our focus is on this part, like selecting course, selecting subcourse, selecting group, then selecting subject, right? So for the exception part, we are going to focus on this part. Okay, so scenario is that now, for fill up this form, we need to select an course first. Then, according to the course, we saw the sub courses here. And then, if suppose we are selecting CBSE board, then 8, 9, 10 standards are in the CBSE board. And when we click on the state board, some maybe there are some other data we get, right? So right now we are on the CBSE board. We have 8, 9, 10 standards in the CBSE board. Then there are multiple sections in each standard. Like in 8 there are group 1, group B, group A, group B, group C, group D, and the subjects according to the group we will see in the application. So first of all, we need to create a script which check the scores, then subscores, then group and the subject, right? So once we create the script, we need to execute the same steps for each and every combination. Like first of all, we verify same instructions for CBSE board for 8 standard, then same instructions for CBSE board 9 standard, CBSE board 10 standard. Like here we have a test cases. First of all, what we do, we create a test cases or create a combinations, and what cases we need to test, right? So here we have a two courses like CBSE board and state board, right? In CBSE board we have 8 standard, 9 standard, and in the 8 standard we have group A, B, C, D, and 9 standard we don't have any group and all that, right? So I have a script for that. Like just I explain you, then we will go to the in depth of the concept, right? So very first, we are going to open the application. We are putting the username and password. We are going to click on the inquiry button and entering the mobile number, first name, what are the required fields are, and then we are going to focus on this three, four lines of code, right? First of all, I just comment it, or for now, I just copy it, paste it here, and comment this part one now. Just forget this part. We will discuss it later, and then click on the. Okay, fine. So these are the mandatory fields we need to save the form. Then we are going to focus in the course, subcourse, group, and subject part, right? So here we first enter in mobile number, then first name, then we are going to click on the course. Right now we are going to selecting which course. We have some data previously, we have a course, we have a sub course, we have a group, right? So this data may be changed during the runtime because we need to perform for each case. So this data is a dynamic. Right now I'm just taking as a variable, but in runtime what we do, we are taking this information all from the Excel file or the some outer source. So it will be changed in the runtime. Like, see, for right now the course is a CBSE board, but maybe some for the some other client the course will be changed. Suppose there is a some another institutions, and they are the suppose there is a college, and suppose they have providing the BE courses or BTech courses or some computer science courses. So in that case courses can be changed, but our script should be uh, generic script, so it will be handled whenever the maybe the values are anything, but our script must be work for each and every case. It should be generic. So what we did, we create a XPath or we create a step like this, and we are getting the course from course in runtime, right? So we already discussed about how to insert a variable in the XPath, so I'm not going to more discussion on that. Just for now I'm explaining. We are going to click on the course radio button, where the course name or course label is matched with the about the data, right? So here we are going to click on the course, then we are going to select the sub course, then group according to our expected values or the values we are taking here. Then click on the group and click on the save button. So now I'm going to execute the script, and expected my script is running well. So exception handling. Okay, I'm going to run the test. So here our application will open. It will take some time to build and execute. Okay, what is saying line number 31? Line number 31. Ah, just a minute. I need to edit this. Okay, again I'm going to run the application. So yeah, my application will is going to open, and yeah, I got login successfully. Maybe yes. Now opening the inquiry page. What it did? My application is failed. Why it failed? Because I did here. Okay, fine. If the group is A, it will be run fine. But as I take a group B, so it is failing. And what it says, it is not able to click on the it is not able to get this. See, the exception is no such element exception. Okay, means here system is not able to find out this element. Okay, right. And what is the element? Like we check in our script, take the path and see here system is not able to find out the all group checkbox. Now in our application, see there is no subject checkbox. If there is a group A, in that case the all group is available, but in during runtime after clicking on the group A, group B, it is not able to find the select all select subject ready checkbox. So that the reason the application will fail. But if in the happy path, if just I say A and try to run the application again. uh, why it is happened? What I, okay, sorry, I run the another script. I need to verify. Okay, now it's a fine. Okay, now in that now uh, now the our script is done perfectly fine, and it saves our inquiry saved successfully. So this is our base script or base steps. uh, Basic steps we need. We click on the course, we select the sub course, we select the group, then we select the subject and click on the save button. So this is our perfect script, and it is a it run fine, and our script is passed. But when the data goes change, right, at that time it will fail. Why? Because due to some uh, mm, data not found, or maybe like here when we select a group B, all subject checkbox is not available. So for this type of situations we need to provide some solutions, like we use some techniques, or like we say. Now again we have come to our presentation slide. So now saw the explanation, we saw the scenario. Now we need to provide some solutions on that. So we will cover in the next lecture, next video. We will try to solve the situation, or we handle the situation. Okay, bye. Thank you.